But then we started reading poetry, and of course, most Old English poetry, Beowulf is not typical. Most of the stuff has to do with religion, one way or another. And one day the professor, I forget what we were reading, but something had come up, and nobody could figure out quite, I could figure out what the words meant. It didn't really make sense. And it was, I remember looking at it and thinking, well, there's a Rashi on this part of the Torah that says blah, 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 and that would actually explain what's going on here, but, these are goyim from the depths of Goyland. And the prof then turns and he says, well, there was a medieval exegetical tradition that blah, 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 and it's exactly the same damn thing. And suddenly, like a light bulb, a menorah goes on over my head, and I realized, shit, I went to school in the 11th century. It's just nobody bothered to tell me.